Have you ever thought about how many moments in your life are truly just yours? Or at least, you wish they were yours alone. Here's that moment. One you can live without sharing with anyone, without disturbing anyone. Be quiet, kitty. Everyone's asleep. Sometimes you might not know what you need to continue. But look at this. How beautiful. Yes, freshly ground coffee is always a great idea. The beans turn into your favorite coffee, a coffee exactly as you want. A great start for the rest of the day. BURRUS comes with an integrated precision scale that measures the beans it grinds. This outstanding feature not only saves you the cost of an expensive scale, but also ensures neither your time nor your exquisite beans go to waste. It prepares your coffee to the exact weight you desire in no time, no more, no less. BURRUS is very gentle with the beans. It grinds them smoothly without burning them. So you get a consistent, great flavor every time. And this amazing freshly ground coffee sometimes takes you to the moment you want. Sometimes it brings you back to yourself. BURRUS lets you create your perfect coffee with 200 different grind settings. Even when things aren't going your way and you wish to start over, there you have it. On the rare occasion that a bean gets stuck in the mechanism, it detects, resets, and rectifies the issue all on its own. So, as I said at the beginning, someone has finally made the grinder that lets you discover your perfect coffee. Make it the same way every time, and enjoy it while it's fresh. Every day, over 2 billion cups of coffee are consumed worldwide. However, only a fraction of coffee lovers experience the true taste of genuinely fresh coffee, as it starts to lose its essence the moment it's ground.
So why don't you just give it to me, sweet?
Scroll down to join the select few who can relish in freshly brewed coffee anytime they desire.